Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button below. And yes, so today I'll be doing a quick video on how I wax my eyebrows and how I keep them in shape. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So first you will need two items. So the first one you will need is the body wax strips. I use this brand, the Nail one, and this is for legs and for body. This actually works for me. I've been using this for a long time, and yeah, so I just stuck with this one for now. I know some of you guys might say it's not really good for your face, but it doesn't do anything to my face. So yeah, it really depends, you know, if you have sensitive skin. So you can get the face one if you want to. And then of course you will need a pair of scissors. It's this one. Now the strips that come out of the pack will look like this. You get the whole packet. So all you need to do is grab one piece and then cut it up into little strips. And then that's where you put it on your eyebrow and then strip them off. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut them, and then yeah. So I'm going to cut the first top half because you don't need that bit. And then all you have to do is cut small pieces. So that's one strip. Oh. So there you go. So I usually do about 5 or 6, but today I've done only 5 strips. So this is how it looks like. So I just make sure I've got nothing on my face, or it'll be so hard to like take the hair off. And all you have to do is get one piece and then just open up like that. Now I'm going to put this on the side, so I will use that one. Grab the piece and then just put it on your eyes. Well, not on your eyes, but on the top of your eyebrow. So it really depends how you want this shaped. I like mine quite squared, and I don't really have an arch on the side of here, so I'm trying to keep it simple as I can. So, because I've got some little bit hair, so I'm going to show you, hopefully you can see on the camera, like I've got the hairs growing. And then I'm going to put it at the top, so if you can see me doing this properly. And this is what I do, so, and then press it down. And then grab this end bit, usually it's right at the top, and then strip it off. And then look at this, perfect. Hopefully you can see it. And then you do exactly the same on your eyebrow, and then yeah, that's what I'm going to do for the other one. So just keep watching and you see how I do my waxing. Obviously for the first time when you do this, it will be a little bit painful, but then you get used to it, to the pain. So before I used to feel it so much, but now it's just like, I don't feel anything at all. I think that's done. Now I'm going to do them between my eyebrows, so I will need to cut a small piece for that. So just grab a strip and then just cut like, maybe I'll say just a little bit more than a half. So it just looks like that. And just grab that little piece and then put it on the middle. So just grab a tweezer and then just pluck any excess off. done my other eyebrow, and now I'm just gonna take the wax that's stuck onto my face on top of here because it came from the strips. I'm gonna be using the Micellar Garnier water, and then just gonna use a little pad there, just a little bit, just to take the wax off. I really love that product, it's amazing. Perfect, so that's all been taken off. Now I'm going to be using a small brush like this and just brush the eyebrow. Next I'm going to be using a pair of scissors, and what I'm going to do is, I'll show you. So I'm going to brush like this upwards, and any hairs I see that is quite long, and then I'll just cut it off. This is how I shape my eyebrows. Now obviously be careful because you don't want to be cutting all the eyebrow off, and I've done that mistake once, and trust me, you don't want to go through that. See that hair over there? So I'm going to try and cut that off so it's not sticking out. So guys, just cut a little bit. I'm not saying chopping all your eyebrows off, but just cut a little bit just to give that little, you know, that nice defined shape eyebrow. And then I'm going to do the same on the bottom brow here as well, but brushing the hairs downwards so you can see. Some of you might be thinking, oh my god, you're going to be cutting all your eyebrows off. No guys, trust me, it's all about practicing and you will get it right. I'm not saying, you know, you have to do this. It's the way I do my eyebrows. I've been doing this for years now, and literally I just stuck with it all the time. So that's how it looks like. They're much more shaped than before. I'm starting to see my hairs growing here, so as soon as I see it, I'll just start using a wax strip and then strip it off. So it's really easy guys, really easy and simple steps to follow. And I think I paid for the wax strips, I think they were $1.99 and really cheap as well. So all you need is wax strips, one pair of scissors, and if you want you can also have cream just to massage the area that you strip, because sometimes it can go red. Mine did go red before, purely the fact that my skin wasn't used to with all this stripping off the face. So I'm just going to add some cream now. I'm going to add some of this Right guys, so this is the end of the video. If you have enjoyed, please give a like and subscribe to the box below if you haven't. And don't forget to turn your notification on to see more videos from me. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!